Hey everyone, I'm so excited to tell you about a new yarn that is joining the Lion Brand family, Mandala. Mandala is a DK weight 100% premium acrylic yarn that has a whopping 590 yards. I know, that's a lot of yarn. Think of all the wonderful things you can make with just one wheel, and you'll love that it's machine washable and dryable. Because this is a lightweight yarn, it's great for year-round, which is always a plus. There are 16 color collections, and each wheel has a beautiful story of color. Don't be afraid to combine them and see how the colors work together and interact with many different projects. Since there are so many colors in just one wheel, there's fewer ends to darn in, making your projects more portable. For more information and thousands of free patterns, visit lionbrand.com. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.